Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We are now towards the end of the Christmas season. This Sunday, we celebrate the baptism of Jesus. It's the last day of Christmas, but also the beginning of ordinary time. We return to color green. Our Christmas was one of the darkest, literally. We are still in a state of calamity. Some have no electricity yet. Having water is a struggle. But still, we can smile and say, Importante, buhi. We have hope and we will rise again. In response to this calamity, what is your parish doing? Lourdes Shrine has a twofold response. First, immediate, through relief and reconstruction. We have distributed bundles of joy to 300 scholars and 300 children of our oratory. We have distributed 50 relief goods of 5 kilos rice, canned goods, and noodles to fire victims in Back Shopwise. We have distributed 600 food packs to typhoon victims in areas 4 to 9. Soon, we will distribute roof materials to selected families in our reconstruction efforts. Please understand, with our limited resources, we cannot help everybody. This effort is a sign of our solidarity in your tragedy. Second, long-term restoration of our church. Phase 1 will begin soon. We will need 572,000 to repair the broken glasses at the center arc. Phase 2 is the restoration of our iconic stained glass window at the entrance. I know you are also in need, but God's church will need every little help from your heart. Together, let us turn our tragedy into timeless lesson of hope.